Howdy again, everybody, and welcome back to Tchaikovsky's Guide to the Practical Study of Harmony. I'm still trying to figure out how far away I can put this mic from my face. But essentially today we're going to be diving into the chord of the ninth. So the chord of the ninth is actually a really simple chord. It's still that dominant chord, so it's a chord built off of the fifth scale degree. And instead of this time having 4 tones to make the 7th, we're going to have 5 tones to get the ninth. So we're going to have 5 consecutive tones here. However, in 4-part writing, we're obviously going to have to omit one of these tones. The one that we're going to be omitting is the 5th, because it doesn't necessarily give the character of the chord. It's the 3rd, the 7th, and the 9th with the fundamental in this case. So beyond building this chord, we need to understand the way in which it functions. So this is probably the most dissonant kind of chord that we've encountered at this point, but in this type of dissonant chord, you have to prepare such a harmony. So usually the chords that are built on the 2nd, the 4th, or the 6th scale degree work because there is a tone in each one of those chords, or those triads, that directly prepare for the 9th. So in the case of something like in the key of C major, with the chord of the 9th built off of G, the 9th is A, which means that any chord, the D minor chord, the F major chord, or the A minor chord, are all going to be able to prepare that next harmony of G by having the tone A in the preceding chord, and it should be in the same voice. And then when you resolve this chord, you resolve the 9th the same way that you resolve the 7th, which is resolving it down by step. And now when we're dealing with this chord, we don't have to worry about inversions, so really we can just jump right into our example. Essentially what you can see me doing here in the example is filling in the part writing as it seems demanded by the figured bass, while at the same time taking special attention and care to the dominant 9th chords that are present, and that are present, and making sure that the voice leading in the preceding chord and then the following chord follow the rules that we covered, as well as cleaning up the inner voices whenever they can follow the same tone in the harmonic rhythm and then be changed into a longer tone. And that's essentially all that there is today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Obviously, let me know. And other than that, peace.